How to enable sticky header in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable the sticky header and make it not disappear into your Shopify website or store. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you need to go to the online store under the sales channels. Click on the online store. Then you are going to select themes. So right here we have the themes library or the theme dashboard. We're going to select the theme that we are going to work with. For example, in my case, we have the Dawn theme, which is our current theme. So we are going to click on customize. Then we are going to head or face the website or the Shopify website editor. As you can see here, we have the menu right there or the home page. As you can see here, we have the header, which is not sticky and it will right away go ahead and disappear. So we are going to select the header, click on the header. Then we are going to see here the header menu. We have the desktop logo, we have the desktop menu type, and we have the sticky header. So we are going to click on the sticky header. We have here the option to disable it, or we are going to put it on scroll up. It will disappear. You are going to set it here sticky as always, and it will not disappear. And we have here, we have also the put it always, but we are going to reduce the logo size if we have one. So that was very simple and very easy. When you finish these steps right away, you're going to click on save. And here we have congratulations, you have set up the sticky header as always. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.